Hey friends, if you encounter the 506 gateway timeout error, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. Now, before anything else, just try to open the website on a different browser. Mostly it will not work, but if it does, then you can use the other browser. Okay. But mostly in 99% cases, it will not work. So let us assume that the application or website that you were trying to open was Roblox. Simply search for Roblox server status and hit enter. You will notice that the Roblox server will be down. Okay, so they say that it has intermittent issues even right now. But here's the thing, if that website does not have a server, just go to downdetector.com and check if there is any server status recommendation here. And if not, if it doesn't have anything such, then maybe you'll still have to wait or contact the website administrator. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.